Hello, welcome to Phases of Life, Inspirational Entertainment. My name is Tirzah Andrews. I hope everyone is doing well today. Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you all how to attach your GoDaddy domain to your ugly link. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm share my going to share my uh let me see something right quick. Hold on one second before I share it. I'm being my husband's secretary. Alrighty, it's already done. That's already done. Hold on one second, y'all. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm gonna try this one more time. Let me see if I can get it to get me to my GoDaddy. Um, Hold on one second. I gotta get the link. It's still saying, still saying please update the account. So anyway, okay, so I'm copying my link or my husband's link. So get a copy of your link. Then I'm gonna take you to the GoDaddy website. Okay. Capture your link. And I'm gonna share with you. Go to GoDaddy.com. GoDaddy.com. Alrighty, go to GoDaddy.com and log in. Nope. GoDaddy.com. Okay. Let me share my screen with you so you can see what I'm doing. And share my GoDaddy. Okay, so here you see, let's see, why I can't move this over. Okay, go to your name, go to your products. I'm setting this up for my husband. I'm playing secretary today. So scroll down to the domain. You're going to click on DNS, domains, DNS. Okay. Then you're going to scroll down again and you're going to see where it says forwarding, domain, not set up. So you got to add. And you want to change your HTTP semicolon // You want to change that to HTTPS semicolon // Click on that. So now it's changed. Okay. You're going to paste your link inside of that box. Okay. But what you're going to do is go all the way to the front. Okay. And you're going to take off the HTTPS semicolon / because, oh, wait a minute. I got the wrong link. Hold on, y'all. Sorry about that. That's not what I want to put in there. I'm sorry. You don't want to copy paste. You could copy paste, but hold on one second. I'm doing this wrong. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go, hold on one second. Hold on one second. Let's see here. Okay. Go back to my meeting here. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, let's see here. Hold on 1 second. Okay, what you're gonna do, let's go back to sharing. What you're gonna do is you're going to go to, let's see if I can get you here. What you're gonna do is, okay, hold on. You're gonna have everything in front of your ugly link except for the HTTPS. For me, I need to make sure I have the correct information. Hold on, to make sure it's Willie W.R. Andrews. Yes, whatever his username is, I need to have that on there. Okay, but in front of that, you want to make sure you're all the way in the front. Okay, and this is what I have to put in front of my husband's link. So for networkers list, this is what we have to do. Okay. So you're going to go to GoDaddy.com. You're going to create your domain. Once you create your domain, you're going to go to your products. You're going to go to your forwarding. Click on that domain. You're going to go to DNS. Let me just backtrack right quick because I want to make sure I show y'all exactly. So you're going to go to your name, go to my products. When it goes to your products, you're going to scroll all the way down to whatever the domain you want to use. And you're going to see for him is 20networkleads.com, DNS, okay? Okay. Give you a chance to recover. You might have me start over because I took so long to get acclimated. Andrews, domain, DNS, I'm sorry. Okay, scroll down to forwarding, domain, not set up, add domain. It's got HTTP inside the box. You want it to show HTTPS, semicolon, // You want to put in your information. No spaces. That's very important. I think this is actually, .com, should be a /. Oh, .com /. No spaces. I mean, it's very easy to make a mistake. The beautiful thing about it, if you make a mistake, you can always go back and correct it. And trust me, I did this several times on my own. So I know that you can make a mistake. So preview. Guess it won't let me preview. So you want your forward type permanent. You want the settings forward only. And they say you can preview it, but each time I've tried to do preview, it never worked for me. So again, it's not working. So you just want to make sure that you have the HTTPS semicolon // everything in front of your ugly link taken off, and then you add everything that you need to have in there. See, I have a space right there. There should be no space. You want to go back and check it. Make sure you spelled it correctly. .com / yes, yes, and username. All right, it should be correct. So your forward type should be permanent, your settings should be forward only, and save. Okay? Now, we should be able to go to that link. It said the features may be unavailable while you process your dates. Some updates require confirmation. Please check your inbox for a positive confirmation email. Okay? So I'm going to minimize this, okay? Just in case I have to go back in there. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to a new window. I'm going to type in the GoDaddy domain and see what comes up. 20 network leads.com. Cross your fingers for those of you who believe in luck and hit it. Why is that coming up on my? I see me, but that's not it. 20 network leads, that's not it. Okay, so let's go with the top here. Type in 20 network leads.com. Come on. Come on, baby. Boom. And he's in. So now you see that it's an online marketing advertising platform for all businesses and niches. So if you have a business or a niche, you should remember that the domain, okay? My husband is into trading. And so you can go to his link, 20networkleads.com, and join for $20 and find out whatever other immediate income and residual income and financial freedom information that's connected to this automatic builder. So thank you all so much for giving me the opportunity to share with you what can and cannot happen whenever you try to add your GoDaddy domain. So you go to your GoDaddy, GoDaddy.com, you make sure you get your domain. Once you get your domain, that's how you connect it. You go to your name, click on My Products, okay? Scroll down to your domain, go to the DNS. It's gonna take you, you scroll all the way down to 40, okay? You're going to put setup. It's going to be add your domain to your ugly link. So you're going to click add, and you're going to change the HTTP to HTTPS. And you're going to put in everything from your ugly link in front of your ugly link, except for the HTTPS, because it's already there. And that's how you set up your domain. So if you have any questions, I'll be putting more information into the description box. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up and give us comments. We'll like to hear from you. Thank you so much for joining me here at Phaziz of Life Inspiration Entertainment. My name is Tirzah Andrews, and this has been a vision of transparency. I get tongue twisted, y'all, but thanks. We'll see you later. Bye.